What's up guys? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is Orbs again po, and of course today another blessed day and another reaction video tayo. For some of you guys na bago sa channel ko, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod nating video. Guys, this one is, I just saw this on different social media platforms, and sobrang na-amaze ako dito kasi I think it's from Inuman session, and yeah, I want to surprise you guys for this one. Tara sabay nating panoorin si Kay dito sa kanyang version, at this song is very beautiful, which is the Through the Rain. Whew! Sobrang daming magandang reviews and comments sa video na to. Tara na, huwag natin patagalin, panoorin na natin to. So, sobrang ganda ng opening, guys. So, I think that is the highlights of the song. Pero tara, let's dive in dito sa kanyang full version. This is Kay, guys. I think some of you guys, kung hindi nyo siya kilala, mga way back before, may mga singing contest ako na nakita na sinalihan niya na before. So, basically, she is also a performer or a singer talaga, matagal na. Tara, let's do this. Through the Rain, guys, sobrang taas ng song na to, and marami ng kumanta neto, iba-iba ng version, iba-iba ng flavor, but of course, lahat sila magagaling. And this one is, for me, is kinda different, no? Kasi nasa Inuman session na naman tayo. Napaka-sexy, spicy ng boses. Ganda ng quality. And guys, this one is so fire for me.
I know that you're wrong when you just drive and in pain without anyone, when you keep running to be safe.
Original ang atake, pero let's see anong flavor, anong difference netong version na to, no, sa mga ibang nag-try na kumanta ng Through the Rain. Napakataas ng song na to, guys. Sobrang
Nobody comes and you feel so far away.
Naririnig nyo ba yun? Yung medyo hindi siya husky, medyo papaos siya na boses. That's beautiful.
You just find your way home. You can get there. It's okay. What you say?
Yay! Shoutout nga pala sa kumukuha ng video. Huwag masyadong malikot. Anyway, thank you so much, no. Guys, nakita ko to sa TikTok, and we'll try to put the link below in the descriptions of this video, guys, para mapanood nyo yung original, no.
I can make it through the rain. I can stand up once again on my own, and I know
the emotions.
I'm strong enough to me every time I feel afraid.
Oh, bro, may pagka-Mariah Carey tayo doon na sounds, if I'm not mistaken. Ooh, beautiful.
I hold tight to the pain and tell you one more day, and I make it through the rain.
ng flow for me. Chill lang siya bang nakaupo tong si Kay. K-A-E pala ang spell ng name niya, guys. No, I don't know the full name, but of course, do your research. Search na lang, makikita nyo yan siya. That's soft, chilling. Nice.
And if you keep falling down,
Sobrang amazing ng sound na yon, no? Yung volume is very equal and yung sound, yung quality ng voice sobrang fire, fire, fire.
don't you dare give in. You will arise safe and sound. So keep pressing on, effortlessly.
Guys, pansin ko parang feeling ko sobrang master niya yung original, no? Ayun yung nakikita ko, nafe-feel ko dito.
And you'll find what you need to breathe.
Nice! Ang sexy nun, Ate Kay.
What you say, I can make it through the rain. I can stand up once again.
Guys, if I'm not mistaken, ako lang ba yung nakakarinig ng Mariah Carey flavor voice there, yung kanyang vibe, yung energy, ganon yung binibigay niya for me.
Oh my God, and I know that I'm strong enough to make every time I feel afraid. I hold tight to my faith.
That's beautiful, that's nice, no? Yung pag-reach niya dun sa notes na yon, sobrang ganda.
And I live one more day, and I make it through.
Woo! Nice technique, nice sa pag-go down. Hindi siya OA.
When the wind blows, the shadows grow close. Don't be afraid. There's nothing you can't face. So they tell you you never pull through. Don't hesitate.
Ako lang ba talaga, guys? Comment mo sa baba kung ikaw din nafe-feel mo din yung Mariah Carey voice here. I think, guys, mas pina-follow ni Kay dito yung original, no? And the technique, the sounds, you know, very alike sa original, no? And very, very nice na hindi siya, you know, ibang-iba talaga. This is very cool for me. It's fire, it's fire, it's fire.
It stands out and say,
Take my money!
Get through the rain.
Ang ganda, ang sexy, ang linis. Nice.
I can stand up once again on my own, and I know that I'm strong enough to make. And every time I feel afraid, I hold tight to my faith, and I live one more day, and I make it through the rain. I can make it through the rain.
Sobrang nice nun. Reach niya naman and you know, wala akong masabi. It's very, very original and you know, the technique and yung breath niya dito, habol na habol niya naman. Saktong-sakto. Fire.
And stand once again and tell you one more day.
That sounds, it's giving me chill. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda nun.
Yeah. I can make it through the rain. Oh yes, you can. Oh, you're gonna make it through the rain.
Yay! Character pa rin siya until the end, guys, no? And look at her, sobrang saya niya sa performance niya na yon. Ay, ang sarap siguro na lagi ka may kainuman na ganyan, no? No? Sobrang bonus na lang. Like, if you have a friend or someone na, magaling kumanta and where you are in get together and in one table having this kind of performance, it's very relaxing and very, happy feeling, Sobrang swerte natin sa mga kaibigan natin magagaling kumanta. And by the way guys, that's it for today. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa akin. Ako po si Orbs again and kita-kita po tayo sa susunod. And again guys, kung bago ka sa channel ko, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod nating videos. Maraming salamat po. Kita-kita po tayo ulit. See ya!